Welcome to our channel.
We're Darius and Ocula of DIYPC. In this video, we're going to answer the question, do you really need underlayment for vinyl plank flooring, especially if your vinyl planks already have one? And we'll share with you the underlayment that we feel works best for beginner DIYers. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started.
What is underlayment? Underlayment is a thin material that goes on top of and completely covers your cement subfloor or your plywood subfloor. This is so the vinyl flooring you choose can easily lay on top of it. Underlayment can be made out of fiber, felt, rubber, or foam and comes in different levels of thickness.
With that in mind, before you start your project, check with the flooring manufacturer to make sure the underlayment you choose will not void their warranty. Some vinyl planks are not made to use additional underlayment because they can increase stress on the flooring's locking mechanism. This can shorten the life of your flooring, and we definitely don't want that. You guys know we're always going to tell you the real deal so you can make an informed decision. Types of underlayment. A roll is one popular type of underlayment used when installing vinyl flooring. Rolls are usually 36 to 44 inches wide and around 30 to 100 feet long. Some roll underlayment may have adhesive strips that make it easy for you to attach the sides together. Hey guys, after installing our vinyl floors, we believe the fan fold underlayment works best for beginner DIYers. It requires vapor tape to hold it together, but it has several properties that are great for DIYers.
And remember, the underlayment tape is sold separately.
So why do you need it?
The nice thing about this underlayment is that it can compensate for a slightly imperfect subfloor. If your subfloor has dents, cracks, or is slightly uneven, your vinyl flooring could sound hollow or even crack in those areas, so you want to do your best to make sure your subfloor is as smooth as possible. Once you smooth out your subfloor, installing a sturdy underlayment really helps when it's time to install your vinyl flooring.
Underlayment with a thermal barrier is great during the winter or if you live in colder climates. It can prevent the temperature in your room from dropping. The best thing about a thermal barrier is that it can give you a better insulation, which can translate into lower heating and cooling costs. If you use vapor tape instead of duct tape, it will assist the thermal barrier underlayment in blocking out cold from the ground.
Moisture can cause problems for your vinyl flooring even though they're water resistant. Underlayment acts as a moisture barrier and can prevent water and mold from forming under and between your vinyl flooring. It also acts as a barrier between the different levels of your home.
We noticed that the sound in the room changed while we were installing our new flooring. The underlayment that you choose should help to soundproof the movement of planks on top of your subfloor, which in turn will give you a quieter walking experience. Whether with shoes, socks, or your bare feet, the right underlayment can make your flooring with attached pad feel great.
So for all these reasons we discussed in this video, yes, we do think it's a good idea to have an underlayment for your vinyl plank flooring, even if your flooring has an attached pad. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today, and be sure to check out our vinyl flooring playlist. And if you'd like to see more DIY videos like these, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to turn your notifications on.
Thank you.